Alright, so in this video we're going to review the main menu and how to make changes to it. So the main menu is what your web visitors are going to use to navigate through the most important pages you have on your website. Now notice I didn't say all of the pages you have, just the most important ones, okay? It's very easy to get caught up wanting to use your main menu as kind of a site map to where your visitors can navigate through every custom page you've ever created on your website. Don't do that. It's very important to try and keep this as concise as possible because you don't want to divert your visitors' attention from the main call to actions you're trying to, have them take, which is to shop your store and place an order, right? That's why you're creating a GrazeCart website in the first place, so people can buy from you. In fact, on our website at Seven Sons, we hold ourselves just to 4 different links in our main menu. We do have one sub menu that breaks down to just a few more links. Now, we have obviously quite a few more custom pages than just this. But again, it's very important that we make this as simple it's very important that we don't distract our visitors from the path that we're trying to get them to take. So that's the first tip you're going to get from me. Just don't use this menu as a site map. Keep it very concise and clean. So to make changes to it, we're going to want to go to our admin, click on My Site, and go down to Menu Editor. Click Main Menu, and all 3 of those pages, they're pretty much updated the exact same way. On the right hand column, I have the links that make up the menu, and I can drag these and sort them in any order that I'd like from top to bottom, and basically that'll match the same sort order on the front end of my website from left to right. So you saw I just moved the Shop Now link to the very bottom on the back end of my website, and if I refresh this page, you'll see that moved it to the very right of the menu. So of course you can sort this however you like. Now, if you wanted to remove a link from your menu, say you didn't have a blog, you would just click on the link and go ahead and hit delete. Now, that's not going to delete the page from our GrazeCart site. It just removes it from the menu. And if rather you just wanted to change the name of the link, say you wanted to call this My Blog, you could do so just by editing this field here. And you could also change the destination by pasting a different subdomain or URL inside of this direction path in this field here. So if I hit save, you'll see that updates the name of the link on the front end. And on this left hand side, you have any default and custom pages that you create over time that you can add to your main menu as well. And to add a page, let's say I wanted to, this was the default page we created, click add to menu. Now you'll see that's also included in the menu. You can do the same thing for product collections, and we'll have a separate video on creating product collections, but these are basically the categories on your store page. Down here, you can create a custom link for your main menu. So say you have a link that maybe navigates to someone else's website, you could add that to your main menu here. So just for an example, let's go ahead. I have Seven Sons. I have our website pulled up on a separate tab. I'm going to copy the URL, sevensons.net, to my clipboard, paste it in the path field here, and give my link a title, Seven Sons. Click add to menu. And yeah, where's that at? Okay, you'll see that it's on my menu right here. And on the front end of my website, there's the link, and this will navigate out of my GrazeCart website to sevensons.net. So if you had a use case for that, that's how you create a custom link. You can also add a sub menu. So on Seven Sons on our website, you saw that we have this How It Works sub menu that drops down to 3 other links. So that's how you would do that here. Let's just create an example. How it works. Click add to menu. And you'll see that added right here in the middle of my menu. And to add links to this now sub menu, basically you would just click on it. Oh, sorry. Looks like you would click kind of here on the right where it says sub menu. And that basically just adds another layer to this. So you would add links to now this sub menu the exact same way. I would just click on any of these collections and hit add to menu, and that is not adding it to the main menu, it's adding it to my sub menu instead. So let's go back to my main page, and you'll see I have this how it works sub menu with those two collections I just added to it from the back end. And of course, if you wanted to edit these links, you would do it the exact same way. Change the destination and the name. You can drag and drop. And now to get out of the sub menu and back to your main menu, there's not really a clear button or path to take. You would actually just click this main menu icon up at the top, and you see that'll direct you back to the menu we're at before. And with that said, that summarizes the main menu editor. I would stress that tip I gave at the beginning of this video. Really try to do your best to keep this concise and clean, because again, it's very easy, as you can tell, to add way too many links to our menu. Maybe a better place if you feel like you have to have, a link to a custom page on your website. But maybe a better place for it, I always tell people, would be to add it to your footer. Here on Seven Suns on our website, you'll see that our footer is used for a lot of those links that are important, but we don't want to divert from the attention of our visitors who are spending time on the header of our website, and obviously we're trying to send them down that path of a purchase. So this is what I call the junk drawer. So a lot of those pages that are necessary but not vital, we send them here. So again, stressing that tip one more time, but thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.